How to sign in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign in. First of all, open the application. So now this interface will pop up. So here there are different options with which you can sign in. Here you can choose either Facebook, through phone or through Google. Here I'm tapping on sign in with Google. So it will be easier for me later. So here select the account with which you want to log in. Now it will take some time. And as you can see, I'm getting logged in. So you must set up your profile here and simply tap on done. So now you can select the people whom you want to watch, and here the live has started. So here you can start browsing, and here on the left bottom you can see different options available. So you're logged in and you're ready to use the app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.